Hey, you're in the right place if you want to learn an easy guitar solo. That's coming up. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, have a look around. If you like what you see, consider subscribing for more guitar tips. So here we go. So we start here on the C, which is the 8th fret of the E string. So you're going to pick that 3 times. And I pick up from the bottom of the E string up. Then we're going to the 10th fret of the B string. Then to the 8th of the B string, pick it twice. Back to 10. 8 on the E string. Then we go to the G string at the 9th fret. On the G string, the 7th fret, the 5th fret of the G string. Then we go to the D string, and we're picking the 5th fret of the D string, hammering the 7th fret, and then picking the 5th fret of the G, 7th fret of the G, and then back to the 5th fret of the G string. Hey, if I've given you any value in this video, can you go ahead and click that like button? It helps me out. Thanks. So all together it's If you want to get the complete tab for this, check out the link in the description. And don't forget to watch the next video. Thanks.